Everybody loves summer. They look forward to it year-round. The sun, the heat. They never want it to end. The happiest time of year. At least, it's supposed to be. That is, except for the sun and the heat. The fact that it's never ending. And all that stressing your lawn. Summer's not looking so happy anymore. Instead, it's looking like a dead lawn in a desert. Introducing Turf Titan Drought Defender. Forget the desert, make your own oasis on your lawn. Every summer brings along drought-like conditions without fail. That dry summer heat stressing plants and creating poor growth. Drought Defender conserves water and keeps the green in your grass where it's supposed to be. Drought Defender is powered by amino acids, moisture agents, and a tolerance-boosting sea kelp extract, which acts as a wetting agent and improves lawn color, density, and hardiness. Kelp's not just for the sea anymore, it's letting your lawn thrive this summer. Powered by advanced nutrients and tested on lawns by the millions, Drought Defender provides consistent soil moisture and maximum stress relief, all in the name of preventing grass burnout. With Drought Defender, your lawn can now attract that neighbor envy all year long. Turf Titan, may the best lawn win.